All right, I've been working on the city layout today. Now, we all know I'll probably end up adjusting some of these buildings around a few more times. So let's just call this a rough city layout. I do have a few buildings that are stumping me where I want them located. One of them being the Coca-Cola plant here. Now, I like it here, but I'm not like 100% liking it there. I like the idea of it being across the street from the corner drugstore. So it's like the little guy is bringing the Coca-Cola from the plant right to the corner drugstore. So I think maybe once I get some more accessories around it, maybe that will help me like it better there. And then the used car lot here. This piece isn't very big, but it's shaped odd, so it does take up, a fairly decent amount of space. I'm just worried it being on the edge here because this will be able to come around the corner here and look at the village pieces. I'm just worried that this piece will get bumped and knocked over. So that's partly why I'm not liking it here. And I do need to figure out a way to light this building. This does not come with a light, doesn't have a place to put a light. So I just want to add a little light to it. I might get those like little fairy light things. I actually have a pack over here. So like these, I might just like wrap it around that building somehow or another. So that is an option. And then another piece is the train station. I don't know if you guys remember, but last week I bought 4 village pieces from a lady that was local to me. One piece I already had. I gave it to my son, so he's going to start his own small collection of Department 56 Snow Village. One of the other pieces was a train station, and I said that train station would look perfect in the city. So guess what I did? I added it to the city. I love how it looks there. I think with it being tall and the mountains behind it, it looks great. Now, I'm contemplating maybe putting a little riser underneath it just to give it a little bit more height. I'm not sure though. I might just leave that one alone. And then the TV repair and pizza place, right now, if they stay there, I'm thinking adding, like extending the hill for the fire and police station over a little bit. So then those are up just a little bit. And then the auditorium is another one that's kind of stumping me. I don't know what it is about this one this year. It has, even with the other layout, I was kind of contemplating where I wanted it to be. So for the most part, I do like where everything else is.